Hello everybody, welcome back to another video to our channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to remove the green screen. To remove the green screen in InShot app, you need to tap on the video, tap on the new, select a video which you want to play according to your requirement. Once you will be selecting the video, it will be coming in your app. Now you need to adjust the size of the video, and for that you need to go to the canvas. If it is a YouTube video, so the ratio should be 16:9. Then you need to adjust it accordingly. Now to remove the green screen, you need to tap on PIP. Select the video from the gallery. Select the green screen video. Once you will be placing it, adjusting it onto the video. After adjusting it onto the video, you need to go to cutout. There will be one option which will be displaying cutout. On the cutout, there will be one more option which will be coming as chrome. Tap on the chrome, adjust the strength and the shadow. After adjusting the strength and the shadow, you need to tap on the right, which is on the right hand side. Once you will be tapped on the right hand side, you just need to preview your video. Once you will be previewing, you will see it is coming on the screen the way you want it. So the green screen has been removed. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our